Welcome back to Haven and Green, where beauty, creativity, and timeless luxury come together to inspire extraordinary living. Today, we invite you to slow down, breathe deeply, and step into a world designed for comfort, elegance, and serenity. Imagine a place where every detail feels intentional, where nature and architecture blend effortlessly, and where every corner tells a story of relaxation and sophistication. There is something magical about outdoor spaces that are designed with care. They become more than just beautiful environments. They become experiences. The gentle sound of flowing water, the warmth of natural stone beneath your feet, the soft movement of leaves in the breeze, and the golden light of sunset stretching across a peaceful landscape all create an atmosphere that feels unforgettable. Luxury is not always about excess. Sometimes true luxury is found in calmness, harmony, and the feeling of escaping the noise of everyday life. As you explore these breathtaking inspirations, notice how textures, colors, and natural elements work together to create a sense of balance. Rich greenery adds life and freshness, while warm earth tones bring comfort and timeless character. Elegant lighting transforms ordinary evenings into cinematic moments, and carefully layered details create spaces that feel welcoming, refined, and deeply relaxing. Great design is about emotion. It is about creating environments that make people feel inspired the moment they arrive. Every pathway, every reflection of light, every carefully chosen material contributes to a larger feeling of peace and sophistication. These spaces are designed to encourage connection with nature, with loved ones, and with moments that deserve to be remembered. The beauty of timeless outdoor design lies in its ability to transport us. One glance can inspire dreams of slow mornings surrounded by nature, elegant gatherings under glowing lights, or peaceful evenings spent listening to the sounds of the night. These environments remind us that the spaces around us have the power to shape our mood, our creativity, and our sense of well-being. At Haven and Green, we believe that inspiration can come from anywhere. Sometimes it comes from grand architecture and luxurious details. Other times it comes from the simple beauty of natural textures, warm lighting, and thoughtfully designed landscapes. When these elements come together, they create spaces that feel both elevated and welcoming at the same time. We hope today's journey leaves you inspired to imagine new possibilities for beautiful living. Whether your style is modern, timeless, classic, or bold, there is always a way to create spaces that feel personal, luxurious, and connected to nature. The most unforgettable designs are the ones that make people feel something special the moment they enter. Thank you for spending time with Haven and Green. If you enjoyed this experience, be sure to like, subscribe, and join us for more inspiring ideas, breathtaking spaces, and luxurious design journeys from around the world. Until next time, stay inspired, stay creative, and continue building beauty around you.